All right, Kingsmill, man, am I happy to be here. We are in a revamped, redone indoor pool. Super excited to announce we are going to open on Monday. This Monday, December 4th, 6 a.m. We are ready to go. It's been a great project here these past 4 months. I'm going to walk you through the building here and what we've done. And basically everything except the hole in the ground is new and redone. I'm super excited with the way it came out. So I want to show you around real quick. First thing, woodwork repairs, roofing repairs, interior paint, probably the first thing you notice. The place looks great. It's all white, and then we've added new lights, the bright white lights going around the top of the building. Really opened up the space up. Came out fantastic. All new windows and doors on the outside. And then all new pool furniture as we walk around coming inside as well. It was the same pool furniture that we got for the outdoor pool this summer. One of the reasons why we waited an extra week or two to open up the pool, we actually decided to repaint the coping, the final layer, around the pool deck. And as you can kind of see, we still have one little patch of paint here, but the new painting really came out nice, really made the area pop. Looks really sharp. As we go around the pool itself, new pool mechanicals, new pool filtration, new filters and pumps, new tiles in the pool, new plaster, new lights in the pool, decking, and then new signage and markers for the pool lanes as well. We have 2 new handicap chairs, ADA lifts that went in the hot tub. New mechanicals, new filtration, new jet pumps. They're all bright, working great. New lights, new tile in the hot tub, new plaster in the hot tub. Pretty dang impressive. The water has been filled for about 8 days now. By the time we get to Monday, it's going to be 11. And the mechanicals have held well. Concentration levels, chlorine levels, everything is adjusting great. The pool's in great shape. Got some new storage boxes. In the next couple days, our team still has to get some new signage on the wall. We're going to do a second coat of paint on the floor here to really make it pop and shine. We're going to do one more clean, and we're going to get all the equipment in here ready to go, and our team is ready to roll. We'll see you Monday morning, and looking forward to having some fun in the new pool center.